God is trying to tell us is not to rely on ourselves to get us through the motions of life, but to rely on Him for anything and everything that we do. Hello guys, welcome to Swaggys Kitchen. Today I'm doing something different. I wanted to do a little bit of food for thought, get down, to the Word and maybe help you guys understand something a little bit, or just give you anything that may be encouraging to help you throughout your day and throughout your life. I'm going to be choosing a scripture out of the Bible and pretty much just giving my reflection on it. All right, so we're doing Proverbs 3:6, and Proverbs 3:6 says, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will direct your paths. So what God is trying to tell us is not to rely on ourselves to get us through the motions of life, but to rely on Him for anything and everything that we do. And that is through prayer, spending time with Him daily, making sure that, we're doing what we have to do to serve Him, but as well, love people the way He wants us. And He's just telling us to trust Him and not trust ourselves, because we can't do it alone. We need Him in our lives to help us through it. And that's my interpretation of that verse. I hope you liked it. I hope it encourages you and it helps you go throughout your day. The question of the day is, how can you trust God more? Let me know what you think. Let me know what your response is. Drop a comment below. Help us help each other, hold each other accountable, and also support one another in our walk of faith, and also just encourage somebody to trust God more and to keep Him first in everything that we do. And if you like this video, please share it with anybody that your coworkers, friends, family, whoever may need an encouraging word of the day. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so that you can see more upcoming videos and more daily devotionals. All right, we'll see you guys later. Have a great day and stay blessed.